Hello everyone, it's Adam here. I've got a Weber Genesis 1 grill. It is 7 degrees below zero outside, and I want to grill some chicken and some steak tips for salads for the week. So I figured with the propane tank about half full, we'll give it a go. Can the grill cook meat at that temperature and not lose heat by the time the chicken is done? And let's cut over to the live audio now from me talking.
Obviously at the far left of what it could be. Feels fairly clean. As you guys know, propane burns or dissipates, so make sure you have a pretty full grill when you're doing this. Dissipates a lot differently at cold temperatures. Negative 44 is about the lowest you can have it. Let's hit the start. All right, all three start up just fine. So we're going from, right now it is 724. We want to get up to 500 degrees. The Genesis is a ceramic top, very, very heavy. I'm not wearing any jacket or anything. So we're going to see how long it takes us to get up to 500 with this thing here. And let's see if we make a little pool of water around the grill too. All right, see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, so it's been only 2 minutes. 2 minutes since I started it up. Oh, look at this crazy smoke pattern we have. It's really thick in the air, but you'll notice this time of year at this temperature, the smokestacks are really bright. So we're at 200 already after just 2 minutes. It's already getting hot to the touch. I'm hoping that some of the snow from down here melts away. We've gotten a lot of snow this past few weeks, probably 30 inches so far this year, and it's only January 1st. Usually our snow doesn't really start until the month of January, and it's pretty crazy right now. This is where the dog goes and does his business, his little trail area. But okay, we are at almost 250, 225, so it's rising pretty fast. I'll come back to you guys in about 5 minutes. I think I'll be good in about 5 minutes. Okay, it's going a little bit slower now. It's now 7:31, so 5 minutes in, and we're at 350. Going slower, warmer to the touch. I'm afraid to open this up, honestly. It is weird the smoking though. It must just be the humidity and the dry air and the cold air that's causing the smoking to occur. Because the smoke has a light propane smell. This is actually a great test, by the way. No one should be grilling when it's 6 to 10 degrees below zero outside. There's Porter, by the way. Hi, Porter. So a little slow, but we hit. Took us 12 minutes, and we're at just under 450. And it appears to be rising much slower now. But think about this, guys. The temperature differential of this grill right now is over 100 degrees different from the temperature outside. So this is no small feat. I'm going to go and put the chicken, steak, and bacon on, and I'll bet to you guys in a second. So opening this grill one item at a time took us from 450 down to 400. I opened it really fast and put each piece on there. Let's take a look before we go inside and wash our hands. Oh, there's the chicken right there. To the grill gods. Well, it's already it froze to the arm. I'll give it to the dog once it's cooked. All right. So that dropped us down another 10 degrees. Worth it. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. Just to give you guys a point of reference, it's about -8 now, and we haven't yet hit 400 yet. We also had the drop from opening the thing up, plus we have the cold things that are going inside. I'm hesitant to actually flip it yet. I may keep it closed a little bit longer. Let's turn the light on. Let's see if maybe it looks like it needs to be flipped. Yeah, that chicken just got straight up stuck to there. No, I'm gonna keep it on there. It's not ready yet. So I know the tank is full, but we're still sitting around 350, and it's been closed for quite a while now. So I'm gonna open this up and flip it over and hope for the best, and maybe we get to finish this inside. Yeah, it's really unfortunate actually, but I guess this is the limit of the Weber. Yeah, look at that. 250, just being open that long. Well, I've decided to ditch the Weber for tonight, and get the cast iron skillet going. We're going to take it out there and drop the rest of this meat into the oven. Unfortunately, that is the reality. Hey, you mind getting the door for me? It's just going to be easier this way to put the meat right on the cast iron skillet and finish it this way. A little more efficient. But yes, I opened that about 5 minutes ago. We're going from 250 back to 350, so we're still doing okay, but it's just not doing well overall. It is like going to Chili's. So we'll cut the rest of the chicken off here and put it on the into the stove. All right, so upon further investigation, the propane tank actually was kind of low. It was about 25%. So the old Genesis weight, propane tank weight was stuck, it was iced up. So in fact, it was a low propane. So I think we could have gotten the job done if we had a full tank. The propane disperses at a different level when it's very cold outside, so obviously I need more pressure for that to work. I would really run 2 propane tanks for our house, for the oven and the furnace. But the hot water heater with 2 tanks for pressure reasons, because it's very cold out. I think we're going to be okay. So we got this, we got some brisket burnt ends, we're going to add to some noodles, and this is a week of lunches. So I think the Summit did really well, just the Genesis did really well, but the propane tank was too low of pressure for it to really heat this up. So we're going to be fine, obviously. Thanks for watching.